In this question, they want us to simplify, right? So for A, I'll do it right underneath. A, I have 5x times 3x. To multiply these, I multiply the coefficients first. 5 times 3 is 15. And then the x times x is x squared. For B, I have 5x plus 3x. They are like terms. They both have the same variable raised to the same power, which is 1, right? So I have 5 x's and 3 x's. That's 8 x's. Just like if I had 5 apples and 3 apples, I'd have 8 apples. For C, I have 6x times x. So this is really like 6x times 1x, right? So I multiply the coefficients. 6 times 1 is 6. And then x times x is x squared. And for D, I have 6x plus x. And that's kind of an invisible 1 there, 1x, right? So I have 6 x's plus 1x. That's 7 x's. Just like if I had 6 apples plus 1 apple, I'd have 7 apples.